Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Saturday, 17th of February 2024. And our topic today na no touching glory. We go see our memory verse for Matthew chapter 6 verse 2. And it talks say, anytime when una wan give people something, make una no show una self as pretenders dey do for church and for road, so that other people go praise them. I tell una true talk, they don already get their rewards. Our Bible reading dey the same Matthew chapter 6 verse 1 to 4. Make una no dey do good things because una want make people see una. If una do that kind thing, God no go pay una for the good wey una do. Anytime una wan give people something, make una no show una self as pretenders dey do for church and for road, so that other people go praise them. I tell una true word, they don already get their rewards. But when una dey give, make una no let una left hand know wetin una right hand dey give, so that una gift go dey secret, and una papa wey dey see for secret go reward una. Now the message. I don see people wey help other people before, and any opportunity wey they get, they go talk about the time wey they help those people. That kind thing bad well, and no be so God teach us to dey do good. Jesus talk for Matthew chapter 6 verse 3 say, if you wan give people something, you must make sure say no other person know about am. For Matthew chapter 5 verse 16, he come talk say, as your light dey shine so, and people dey see all the good things wey you dey do, all the glory must go back to God, because na God suppose get all the glory. If you help person and you go back go tell the person say, shey you remember how I take help you that day ba? You dey use style dey put that person for cage because you want make dem dey worship you. Make you no ever allow anybody feel like say they owe you anything because of say you help them when they be get problem. If you do something wey good, make you do am because of God. No allow people see you as bad person because of how you dey remind them of how you take help them when they be get problem. You need to know say na God na He choose you make you take help those people. God already get plan to help them before. Just come be say you get luck say na you choose make you use to help them. For Ephesians chapter 2 verse 10, Bible talk say God create us through Jesus Christ as the good work wey He don prepare down before, so that we go dey do as Him plan. If God come create you to dey do good things, and He come prepare you to dey do as Him plan, but you can't go back go turn radio speaker dey announce all the good things wey you dey do as your own. You can't dey announce say na you be the destiny helper of the person wey you help. Wetin you dey do so na you dey collect the glory wey suppose be for God as your own. And if at all you know anything about God, you go know say He be God wey no dey like to share Him glory with anybody. Isaiah chapter 42 verse 8 talk say, na me be God, and na my name be that. I no go share my glory with anybody, or let juju follow me share my praise. No try to drag glory with God over the good things wey you dey do for other people life through you. You just be servant wey you dey use, and all the glory must go back to una wey be God. Na that way you go take receive the reward of the good things wey you don dey do, instead of to face the punishment when you go give those people wey dey try drag glory with am. The main point for today's message be say, no become problem to person because say God use you to help that person when He be get problem. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye. Royal diadem and crown.